Robinhood first went after the day traders, now they're going after the active traders. Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, the Apptrepreneur. Welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time with me today. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I am a big Robinhood fan. Full disclosure, I do have stock in Robinhood. I actually do plan to buy more stock, in fact, especially after announcements like this. But this is not financial advice. This is me talking about a news story, and I just like to be upfront about those things. So yesterday, Robinhood did a live stream where they were going to talk about a new product they were launching. Now, I did not watch that or do it live. I actually considered doing a live stream reaction to that. It would have been like the first live stream reaction I've done on this channel in a long time, to be honest. But, well, there was a movie I wanted to see, and it was on like a good screen, and it wasn't going to be there tomorrow, so you know how that is. But now we can kind of look at what was announced, and apparently that product is called Robinhood Legend, and it's going to include advanced charting tools for users. And basically what Robinhood wants to do is they want to evolve from not just the day trader app. They want to go after the heavy traders, the people who buy and sell stocks for a living, basically the people who use the Bloomberg system. And for those of you who are not aware, the Bloomberg system is like the standard for investment firms. It's like proprietary. It's how Michael Bloomberg, the mayor of New York and at one point hopeful presidential nominee, that's where he got his fortune. Well, Robinhood wants to basically challenge his turf, and well, they might just have a chance. I'm not sure if they can for sure. I mean, it's very hard to upend these systems that are super ingrained into Wall Street, but Robinhood's going to give it a try. So let's take a look at this article from CNBC. Retail brokerage firm Robinhood is launching a new tool for more sophisticated traders as it looks for additional avenues for growth. The firm introduced Robinhood Legend, a desktop-based platform for active traders. The offering includes advanced charting tools for users who want to do detailed analysis of stocks. Quote, in looking at the landscape of trading tools and by talking with active traders, we realize there is frustration with legacy offerings, Steve Quirk, chief brokerage officer at Robinhood, said in a press release. Specifically, moving back and forth between apps or charting platforms can be cumbersome and time-consuming. So we set out to reimagine what a modern, intuitively designed active trading platform should look like and built Robinhood Legend from the ground up so traders can do what they need in one place. Beyond the launch of Legend, Robinhood also said it will soon add features trading and index options to its mobile platform. Customers must be granted approval to trade futures contracts, according to the press release, and futures and index options will eventually be added to Legend as well. So one of the things that we should mention about this product is that I believe it's going to start out as like a desktop product. You don't make something this sophisticated and start it on the phone. You got to start it on desktop. Desktop is still the primary electronic devices that Wall Street uses. And yeah, I mean, that makes sense. If you're going to go after Bloomberg's lunch, then you're going to have to fight on his turf. The new additions for Robinhood are another example of the firm looking to expand beyond its roots as a convenient platform for small dollar traders. Yeah, that's what people like you and me are called, small dollar traders, because, you know, me putting a couple $1,000s a month into the stock market doesn't actually mean anything. The firm's rise coincided with the meme stock phenomenon in early 2021 as retail trading boomed in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, this is where the stock is right now for Robinhood. So let's see how it worked in like the day. So it is down 30 cents today. You can see it's kind of been steadily growing. The new news didn't really raise the value too much, but it didn't lower it either. So since then, Robinhood has been steadily adding new offerings, including a credit card for Robinhood Gold subscribers and a digital wallet to hold cryptocurrencies. I have both those products, and yeah, some of you actually might be subscribed because I had some issues with the Robinhood Gold card, but you know, it's been fixed and that card's been great ever since. So, Robinhood CEO and co-founder Vlad Tenev said on CNBC Squawk Box, We've done very well on mobile historically among younger people and folks that primarily invest and trade on mobile. But about half of the market is on desktop web, where you have more real estate on the screen. You can do more sophisticated things like have charts and data in the same interface. And so we weren't really a player in that space. Yeah, that's probably true. Robinhood said that it had 139.7 billion in assets under custody at the end of the second quarter, along with 11.8 million monthly active users for the comparable quarter in 2021. Near the height of the GameStop mania, Robinhood reported 102 billion in assets, but 21.3 million monthly active users, because a lot of people during that whole GameStop and AMC thing, look, some people made out like bandits. Like me, I showed on the channel, I did very well with Dogecoin. I did very well with AMC. I am kicking myself for selling the GameStop so early. It hit $20, and it was like, well, realistically, how much higher is that going to go? I kind of bought that as like a vanity stock, and then when it actually doubled, it was like, oh, well, I'm going to, sell that. And, So, but a lot of people also went all in. They put their life savings, and then when the things crashed, like they always do, they lost a lot of money. So Robinhood gained a reputation, unfortunately. And, they even screwed with me, and I made a couple anti-Robinhood videos. Amazing how times change. So, shares of Robinhood are up more than 100% so far this year. That's pretty good for people like me. The announcements on Tuesday were part of Hood Summit, a conference for Robinhood customers. So I kind of wish that this article would show an image of what the new product looked like. Let me see if I can't look it up real quick. All right, so this is what it looks like. We might as well expand the screen while we're at it. This is the homepage for what the Robinhood Legends program looks like. And as you can see, it's way more sophisticated than what's on the app. All you people who've been using things like Robinhood and Public and stuff, by the way, you can still use it. And if you haven't, you can, click the referral links in the description below. You will get free stocks and stuff like that to get started. I mean, look, it's a great way to start, but this is what real traders do. This is what they're looking at all day. And as you can see, there is a lot to take in. And this is a different kind of market that Robinhood is going after. So, you are guided by powerful charts, as you can see right here. This is all very, you can set up the when to sell, when to buy, like one of my favorite features of Robinhood, actually. So, and the pulse of the market, you can get real-time data, which, I'm going to be honest, I know I'm just a quote-unquote small trader. That's the term Robinhood used. I don't always believe in data. I mean, I just kind of look like, well, look, what's the future prospects do? I think it's going to make a lot of money in the long term, and then I invest. This is probably why I'm not like a financial investment. So your ideal setup in 6.34 seconds. So you can have custom layouts. You can have preset layouts. This is all really neat. Ready when you are. Once you spot a trend, you can influence returns, initiate a trade from your watch list, charts, or option chain. So, they've got these nice little is HMNI like an actual stock? I'm hoping none of these stocks are real. I would hate to think that Robinhood would be accused of pushing a certain narrative about certain stocks. Dynamic linking, link widgets to create synced groups, instantly update symbols across layouts, tabs, and even multiple monitors. So yeah, that can be pretty cool. Like, it's like you could create little groups like these are like your long-term stocks, these are your short-term stocks, these are the volatile ones, they're your watch list, things like that. But there is one more thing. It's free. Join Robinhood to be notified when Robinhood Legend is available in your account. Get access to commission-free stock, EFT, and equity trading options. So they have a sign-up thing here. And again, if you want to sign up for Robinhood, if you do so at the link below, you will get a free stock. Full disclosure, I'll get a free stock as well. But, hey, if you're going to sign up, you might as well get something for it. So that's their presentation. This is what they announced. It's probably a little bit more sophisticated than a credit card. The credit card was a logical next step, I'm not going to lie. because it's like, well, yeah, I mean, especially if people can get cash back for money to buy more stocks, that makes perfect sense. But this makes even more sense, and it's going to be kind of exciting to see what happens to Robinhood going forward. Will they actually be able to take some of the market share away from Bloomberg? I guess we're going to have to wait and see. But in the meantime, I would love to know what you think. Are you Robinhood users? What do you think of this product? Are you going to be getting it? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, playing responsibly. Have a good one.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.